Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome all new people if you're watching me for the first time, and sorry for not uploading the videos. So in today's video I'm going to convert my old jeans into a skirt, and this is gonna be in two parts. So I'll upload one more video. In that I'll be showing how you can convert your old t-shirt, like how you can refashion your old t-shirts. Now let's move on to the video and see how I'm gonna convert my jeans into a skirt.
So guys, this is my old jeans which I'm gonna convert it into a skirt. So I'm aligning all the edges well before I cut the jeans, and just fold it from the middle. Just check where you wanna keep the length. I want just above from my knees, and I want to show this rib part. Now I'm gonna cut this middle section for the both side, front and back. Now take out the inside out and fold it, keeping the zip in the side. Now with the help of marker or chalk, you can make a straight line. And now I need to stitch following the line. Next I'm gonna cut out this hard edges, leaving one side as it is. So later I'll just overlap with this edge like this. So I'm done with the stitching for all the sides. Now I have to cut out this extra cloth, and here we go, we have the stuff.
Watching guys, I hope you really like this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.